All right, so here we have Photoshop open. We have our image, but let's say we want to add a little more color and style. What I like to do is take the image here. I'm just going to copy it using a Mac. So that's Command J. There, I've got a new layer, and we're going to take this layer into Camera Raw. Let's go up to Filter, Camera Raw Filter, and here we have Camera Raw. Now this gives you access to all your presets and profiles. Here we have our profiles, and right here we have all of our presets. These are our basic settings that you'd find in Lightroom, but let's go right to our presets. Here we have the creative flow, and here we have our free Lightroom preset cinematic filter. Let's test that out first. Before and after, really nice color in that. And I'll put a link down below so you can download and try. All right, now we can go to the creative flow and mix and match some presets and profiles. Let's go to the cinematic, open that up. Works the same way as in Lightroom. So there's different looks there. There's some grades, stock images. So we're going to take a couple of these and mix them together. Let's go with, I'm going to go with the top one here. I like that. Before, after, and with the pro ones, you can adjust the preset this way. So if you want to intensify the look, you can. I'm going to keep it as is. Let's go to our profiles now. Going at the top here and clicking Browse Profile. Here we have a profile already loaded in, so you can intensify the look. But let's say we want to use something different. I'm going to roll over some of these so we could add a grade to it. And I'm just trying to find something that looks interesting. Kind of liking this one right here. So it's coming through at 100. You can always dial it back and just bring it in where you see it looks best. Let's take a look at before and after. Here's before and here's after. Look at the color change there. Before and after. Really nice. There we have a nice side by side. And finally, when you want to get the image back into Photoshop, give it a click here. OK. There we go. Again, I'll leave a link down below for the free Lightroom preset. And I'll also leave a link to the Creative Flow, which has 1200 Lightroom presets and 1200 Lightroom profiles. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.